So, what's up everyone? This is a great day. So, ngayon, naroon tayo minute. Dideliver natin tong 2 watches. Mahan niyo kami. What's up guys? So, ano oras na? Time check tayo. 9. So, 9 na guys. 9:10. No? Nanonood kami sa kalsada ngayon. Dideliver kami ng Casio. Couple watch. MTP V300D. So, i-meet up natin si client. So, let's go.
What's up everyone? Good day, great day. So kanina nakita nyo sa video, nasa labas kami ni Lalen. So nag-deliver kasi kami ng couple watch na pre-order sa amin. So yun yung MTP V300D, white dial, chronograph series. MTP tsaka LTP pala yun kasi men and ladies. So ayun lang, nag-deliver kami, minute namin si client. Pakita ko yung picture. So yan yung ano. Actually yan ay kanyang kapatid. So yung order kasi sa atin, si client ay panggabi. Yun, so pinick up naman din. Done deal na rin yun. Dineliver na lang namin. So thank you very much po for trusting KNL affiliate. So kung mapapansin nyo bakit affiliate, kasi hindi ko na mapalitan yun dapat KNL timepieces. So yun lang. So hindi ko na patatagalin yung vlog, and thank you very much po sa lahat ng nag-trust. So yun lang guys. So see you on the next episode and next transaction. Lagi nyo tatandaan, keep grinding and don't waste your time. Paalam!